Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you the steps so that you can enroll yourself for the Google Facilitator program cohort 1. Of course, this is cohort 1. So how you can enroll yourself, I am just quickly going through it. First, confirm your mail. Here I tick mine one and then click on the next. And here is some terms and condition. Click on the next. Okay, I don't know why that happened, but maybe due to some issue. Okay, next. And yes, here you have to confirm your mail. Just check, provide your mail which you are going to use, and then your full name, your gender, country, and if you are a student then click on the student. If you are a working professional then working. If you are a developer then developer, and if you are other then you can go through the other. And the referral code, this one is mine referral code, so you can go with this. Okay, I will attach the form link and the referral code in the video's description, so you can check out from there. Year of graduation, let me give it 2025, and here it's asking, do you have any account on Google Cloud Skill Boost? So I have already a Skill Boost account, so I will click yes, I have already an account with few batches. Yes, I have. And if you don't have any Cloud Skill Boost account, so I will attach a video link in the description that how you can create your own Cloud Skill Boost account, so that you can go through the steps and you can create your own Cloud Skill Boost account. So for now I am moving ahead, clicking on the next, and then here we need to provide our Google Cloud Skill Boost public URL. So how we can go, just click on this. Okay, no, I don't think. Yes, this just click on the link, then here you can see that you need to sign in. So I will sign in with my account. Okay, access denied for this resource. You have 35 credits, and ignore this. Previously I had 31 credits, I guess. So here you can go to the my account. Here you might see that there it can be 0 credits for you guys. If you are new, then it can be 0 credits for you. Don't worry, during the cohort you will get total 600 credits. So go to the settings, and below down you will see that your public account. If it is not public, then just click on this, make it public, and copy this and paste it here. Okay, for your confirmation, just paste the URL in another tab and check if it comes your account. So for mine it's coming my account, so I will go with this and click on the next. Here just click on I acknowledge and all, then go to the submit option. So within 48 hours you will get, okay, it's noted here that it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for you to receive the enrollment mail. So please be patient and keep an eye out. Thank you so much for enrolling Cloud Facilitator program. We are excited to have you on board. We will soon send you the email where the next steps and more information about the program will be given. Do not remember to keep an eye out on email box and check the spam and promotion. Okay, so this is how you can enroll yourself for the Google Cloud Facilitator program. Also, if you have any doubt, then you can join our WhatsApp group and you can ask question. Also, you can comment on to the video section, or you can contact me in LinkedIn. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it, then please like and comment down that it was helpful for you. And for more updates regarding Cloud Facilitator program, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you guys, and take care. Bye bye.